So what we are going to be demonstrating today is a bot that we deployed for a mortgage company that automated a large part of the loan underwriting process. Here we have Steve logging into our control center. Steve is an admin, and what he is going to do is he is going to schedule an automated process to run. Now, this isn't typically what happens with our automated processes. Typically, our bots are always running and are performing tasks at regular frequencies or responding to system events. So here the bot has started Outlook, and it is going to be using a variety of AI technologies to process some email that has come into a folder that it's monitoring. After looking at the email, it sees that this one has a loan application. So what it's going to do is it's going to download this loan form to the documents folder on the hard drive on the machine that it's working on, and is going to move that particular email message to the loan request folder. Now, as it is examining this particular loan form, it is extracting content with a variety of AI technologies just to make sure that that content is extracted as efficiently and as accurately as possible. The bot will then process the next message in the Outlook folder, and it sees that that is an appraisal request, so it's going to move that to the appraisal request folder in Outlook. Now the bot is done processing all the email in the inbox. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Jacob log into the control center. Jacob is a human, and what he is going to do is he's going to confirm or correct the content that the bot has extracted from that loan form. Jacob is going to do that by accessing a task list, and after looking at this particular task, he is going to be claiming it so that he can take action on this particular loan application. So once Jacob claims the tasks, he can then go to the accuracy audit screen, and he can examine the content that was extracted from that loan form. You can see that the content has been extracted very efficiently and very accurately, and Jacob can also examine the workflow diagram that is driving this particular process. Now that Jacob has completed this task, it will be sent to the next step in the process, which is an automated one, where the bot is going to log into one component of the loan origination system with its own username and password, and it will automatically enter that content into the LOS web application. This was once manual activity that the bot is now able to do on its own. The loan origination system is also comprised of a command line application that the bot can navigate just like a human would and enter the employment information directly into that component of the system. Now that the bot is done entering content into the LOS, it is now going to access Outlook again, and it's going to begin to take some action on the appraisal request folder that it initially populated. So just like the loan form, it's going to download that appraisal request document to the documents folder on the hard drive. As this particular document is accessed, you will notice that it is a much different looking form than the one the bot processed for the loan. It's comprised of a variety of different data outputs, and it's very information dense. So here Alice is logging into the control center, and she is going to do the same thing that Jacob did, where she accesses the appraisal details task, and she is going to claim that task. Once that task is examined and claimed, she will confirm or correct the content that the bot extracted from that appraisal form, just like Jacob did for the loan form. You'll notice that even though the form looks completely different, the bot has extracted that content with the same degree of efficiency and accuracy that it did with the loan form. You will notice in this particular part of the process, Alice can also access the business rules that are driving the tasks that are associated with the loan origination system. These business rules can be modified. Once Alice has marked this task as completed, the process will continue with the loan underwriter. Here we have Michael logging into the control center, and Michael is tasked with approving this particular loan. One of the data points that he is interested in is a prediction that the bot has made on this particular loan application as to its legitimacy. When Michael accesses the Underwriter Advised Generation task, He will be presented with the workflow diagram that he can then examine, but he also sees that the bot has predicted that the fraud propensity for this particular application is low. This is a very good data point for him to consider as he approves the loan or rejects it.